Hey bud, so we just did 35 plus 13. Now let's do the same problem, but we'll just do it subtraction. So we can do 35 take away 13. So let's do the same strategies. We're going to start with a picture. So just like before, we need to go to our 35. We're going to draw our tens first. So tell me, or you can write down, or you can tell your mom, how many tens do you see? I see 5 ones, and I see how many tens? 3. How many ones do you see, Chris? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our number again is 35, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay. Now, Chris, this time is subtracting, not adding. So do we need to add more to our picture? We need to start taking away or putting some X's over our picture. Okay, Chris, first we need to go to 13. How many tens are in 13 will tell us how many tens we need to put an X over. We need to get rid of some tens. Okay, I'm in my 10 spot right here. There is 1 10. So let's put an X over one of our tens. Just put an X because he's going in the trash can. Okay, go back to your 13. We did our tens. How many little ones are there in 13? There are 3 ones in 13. So let's put an X over 3 of our ones. 3 of those little guys have to go in the trash. Okay, so we finished up. We've crossed off our 110. We've crossed off our 3 ones. So we're all good. Now let's add up and find out what our answer is, okay? So let's count together. 10, 20. Skip these guys, they're in the trash can already. 21, 22, 22. Good, so 22 is our answer because we have 2 tens, 2 ones, 2 ones. Okay, let's do the exact same problem. This time we'll do it with a number line. So write down again, 35 minus 13. Hopefully it'll equal 22 again if we've done it right. And Chris, as always, first thing to do is draw a line. All right, this one's subtracting, Chris. So where do we put the 35? Do we put it at the front to add more? Or do we put it at the back because we're taking away? This one's a takeaway. It goes at the back. Okay, so we're done with 35. We put them on. Now, Chris, go back to 13. How many tens am I going to jump back? Which number's in my tens place? Here's my ones place. So this has got to be my tens place. So we're going to go back a 10. So we put a subtract 10 because we're going to go back. Okay. Right now, how many do we have in the tens place? 3. We're going back a 10. We're getting rid of one. So throw one of your tens in the trash can. So now we only have 2 tens. So our number's not 35, but now it's 25. Okay, we went back our tens. Now let's go back how many ones, Chris? 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Back 1, back 1, back 1. Okay, time to count backwards. 25. 24, 23, 22. Did we get the same thing? Perfect. That means we're on the right track. Okay, so you can pause here if you want to look at this one a little bit more. 2 strategies. The first one's our drawing strategy. You're doing very well at that. Second one is our number line strategy.